Minister wa maaĩ Zachary Njerũ augĩte tabarĩra ya thirikari kũhetũkĩra Ministry ya Ũrĩmi ya kũhe arĩmi a mũceere mbegũ cia kĩrĩu mwena wa Siaya na Busia nĩ kwambatĩria umithio wa mĩgũnda na njĩra nene, kuona ministry ĩrĩa arũgamĩrĩire ya maaĩ nĩ ĩtigĩrĩire ũrĩmi ũyũ nĩ wakinyanĩra na njĩra ĩgwete na kuona atĩ ndũratangana na mũhĩnga wa wagi wa maaĩ. Augĩte ũrĩmi ũyũ ũtanyĩtwo kũguna arĩmi 8,400 kuma Siaya na arĩmi 4,200 kuma Busia, na ũrĩmi ũyũ wanjĩrĩirie mwaka-inĩ wa 2018 na ũrathiĩ ũiyũkĩtio matũũra-inĩ ma kũrĩa kũigĩtwo keheri-inĩ kũrĩ gwa kũrĩma mũceere.
Per acre to 40 bags per acre. So that means then there's that value addition. And I believe the county government of Busia will also chip in and make sure that whatever the farmers get is value added, so that they get the best from their crop. You know, there have been a lot of most of the crop here has been bought. Or rather, we've been having middlemen coming to exploit farmers. But I'm happy to hear from the governor that even he's the first customer from the county who will be buying the rice directly from the cooperative, and I'm sure the price will be better than the way it has been. So that really encourages our farmers, and of course this will also reduce the issue of food in our country. We import a lot of rice from outside. Therefore, if we empower our farmers, then it will mean that import will reduce. So we want to encourage our farmers. Let's all know this. We are working together between the national government, the county government, and the farmers.